Welcome back to Cheddar's opening bell. The coronavirus pandemic has created an economic and workforce crisis, leaving more than 42 million Americans unemployed. Many people who find themselves unexpectedly out of work may not know where to turn. Well, now Goodwill is offering its support, and joining us now is Steve Preston, the president and CEO of Goodwill. So great to have you on. Thank you so much for joining us. What kind of support is Goodwill offering to people who don't have a job right now?
Yeah, well, Goodwill has been providing support to people looking for employment for over 100 years. So that is our mission. And we do that in a number of ways. If people are ready for a job right now, we help them connect with that job in their local community. But a lot of times people need additional training or other kinds of support. And so we will help them throughout the entire journey of locating that opportunity and making sure that they're prepared for it.
In terms of specifically which industries you think might be there opportunities for, what are you seeing for people who maybe were in an industry that won't come back so quickly? Any advice?
Well, nationally, we're seeing opportunities in a number of places: manufacturing, logistics, construction, healthcare, retail's opening back up. So there's a broad number of industries, but it's very important to recognize that jobs are local. And so you need to understand who those local employers are and specifically what jobs they have available. And coming to Goodwill can help you with that because we're connected to those local employers and we understand their needs, and we can help you make those connections.
What kind of demand are you seeing across the country right now?
Well, we've seen overall job demand has declined, but we are seeing a lot of people open up again. And so, but they're for very specific jobs. And we'll provide people with a lot of different kinds of supports to connect with them. We do digital and computer skills training. Sometimes we provide people with credentials in area like healthcare or construction. Some cases, broad job readiness skills, whether it's communication or writing or those types of things. Then we'll also help you prepare a resume. We'll help you work on your interview skills, and then we'll connect you with the employers, whether it's through job fairs or online connections or otherwise. So we'll help you throughout that entire process.
Is this something that Goodwill was always involved in, or that you felt that you needed to really do now with 1 in 4 Americans out of work? The numbers are really just incredible.
They are. No, we've been doing it for over 100 years. Last year, 1.5 million people came to us for face-to-face services. Over 25 million people came to our online training and support services. So if you go into goodwill.org, you can click, you'll see a banner that says find a job now. You click into it, you can get online training. You can actually do job searches for local opportunities and apply right online. Or if you type in your zip code, you can find out what resources are available to you locally. And in many cases, that's the best way to go because you can meet with people who can talk you through the process and support you that way.
Meanwhile, a lot of people work for Goodwill. What is your company doing to support your workers right now during this just unprecedented time from a safety perspective to start?
Yeah, so first of all, almost about 90% of our stores are open now, and we employ about 140,000 people. So there are a lot of employment opportunities at Goodwill. But as you mentioned, safety first. We have enhanced cleaning protocols in the stores. We have done many of the things that other local retailers have done based on local requirements. If you're shopping, please come with your mask because we want to keep everybody safe. So we are very attuned to the health requirements and are working hard to make sure that both shoppers and employees and donors stay healthy.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us and such important work. Steve Preston, President and CEO of Goodwill. Great to have you on.